The AI revolution, reshaping the engineering landscape. Artificial intelligence is changing the world as we know it. From healthcare to finance, and from education to entertainment, AI is making its presence felt in every sector. The impact is profound and far-reaching, altering the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. It is also transforming the engineering field. Engineers are now working hand-in-hand with AI systems, creating innovative solutions that were once thought impossible. This collaboration is leading to groundbreaking advancements and efficiencies in engineering practices. From self-driving cars to smart infrastructure, AI is revolutionizing the way we design and build our environments. These technologies are not just concepts of the future, they are being implemented today, making our cities smarter and our transportation systems more efficient. AI is rapidly being integrated into various engineering domains. Whether it's civil, mechanical, electrical, or software engineering, AI tools and techniques are enhancing capabilities and opening up new possibilities for innovation and problem-solving. This revolution brings exciting opportunities for engineers who are ready to embrace this transformative technology. Those who are willing to learn and adapt will find themselves at the forefront of this new era, driving change and making significant contributions to their fields. The pace of AI advancement is incredible. New developments and breakthroughs are happening at a rapid rate, pushing the boundaries of what is possible and continuously reshaping the landscape of engineering. This means engineers need to adapt quickly. Continuous learning and staying updated with the latest AI trends and technologies are essential for those who want to remain relevant and competitive in this fast-evolving field. Staying ahead of the curve is crucial. Engineers must be proactive in seeking out new knowledge and skills, attending workshops, and participating in professional development opportunities to keep pace with the rapid advancements in AI. By understanding and leveraging AI, engineers can unlock a world of possibilities. They can develop innovative solutions to complex problems, improve efficiency, and create new products and services that enhance our quality of life. This will shape the future of their profession. As AI continues to evolve, it will redefine the role of engineers, making them key players in the development of cutting-edge technologies and the creation of a smarter, more connected world. AI skills, your ticket to success in engineering. In the rapidly evolving field of engineering, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. In today's job market, having AI skills is a major advantage for engineers. These skills not only make you more competitive, but also open up a plethora of opportunities that were previously unimaginable. Companies across all industries are looking for engineers who can develop and implement AI solutions, from healthcare to finance, and from automotive to entertainment. The demand